Here's our first chip, our first IPU, Intelligence Processing Unit. This chip is actually the most complex chip ever built.
This chip probably has something in the order of 1,000 times the compute capability of the processor that's inside your mobile phone.
It has over 23 billion transistor components. Several miles of wire connect those components. There are 1,216 independent processors on this chip,
each of which can run 6 independent programs, so 7,000 parallel programs run, all orchestrated together and communicating through a communication fabric that lets any processor core talk to any other processor core in any communication pattern, and the whole machine learning model is held inside the process. So all we're doing is we're feeding the data in, it's learning the model and building that knowledge. So very much like your brain, where everything's inside your head, you're getting data and you're learning from that data. This is working in the same way. And then the software that goes with this has really been very specially designed so that the software can target this architecture, and the architecture has been designed to make it easy for the software to be developed for this very complex task.